Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share a simple almond cookie recipe with just 2 ingredients. No eggs, no sugar and completely gluten-free. These cookies are soft and chewy. Let's get started. First take 12 to 15 dates, soak them in hot water for 10 minutes or until they become soft. Once softened, drain the water completely and blend the dates into a fine paste or puree. Transfer the paste into a mixing bowl. Then add 2 cups of almond flour and mix well. I bought this almond flour from Costco. You can use almond flour in many different ways. If you are looking to make gluten-free cookies, muffins or cakes, simply replace all-purpose flour or wheat flour with almond flour. It is also perfect for making pancakes, waffles and much more. Now mix the date puree with the almond flour thoroughly until you can form a dough ball. If you find the mixture too watery or sticky, add more almond flour. If it is too thick, you can add a little more date puree if available or a few drops of water to adjust the consistency. Take a lemon-sized portion of dough, roll it into a ball, and then flatten it as shown in the video. If the dough is sticking to your hands, apply a little oil to your hands before rolling. Prepare a baking tray with parchment paper and place the cookies on the tray, leaving enough space between each to allow for even cooking. Meanwhile, preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Using a fork, gently press down on the cookies to create a beautiful design. This step is completely optional, but it adds a nice touch to the cookies. Bake for 12 to 20 minutes or until the edges are golden brown. These cookies are soft and chewy on the inside with a crispy exterior. They turned out delicious with a perfect balance of sweetness and flavor. You should definitely give them a try. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.